Suddenly, your lower back feels like it's being stabbed by a knife. You feel nauseous, dry heaving. You want to pee, but can't, and when you do, your urine looks cloudy with blood streaks. Be careful, this might be kidney stones acting up. So where do these stones even come from? Think of it like scale building up in a kettle. When you don't drink enough water and hold in your pee for too long, your urine becomes concentrated. Then, tiny crystals of calcium and oxalate start to form, slowly rolling into small stones. In fact, calcium oxalate stones account for about 80% of all cases. Why do kidney stones hurt so much that you roll on the floor in pain? When a stone is smaller than 5 millimeters, there's about an 80% to 90% chance it will pass out on its own. But when it gets bigger than 7 millimeters, there's over a 70% chance it will get stuck in the ureter, triggering intense pain. Your body goes into strong spasms trying to push it out, which leads to cold sweats, restlessness, and unbearable cramping. That's your body sounding the alarm. Keep in mind, stones larger than 7 millimeters rarely pass by themselves. For the average person who has never had stones before, you don't need to be overly anxious or follow extreme dietary restrictions. Stones don't grow overnight, they build up over time. Starting today, drink enough water, stay active, watch what you eat, and keep those little stones out of your body for good. With 3D animations like this, we turn complex medical processes into clear, easy-to-understand visuals. We are a professional medical visualization team, specializing in creating custom 3D animation solutions for healthcare and medical education.